Welcome to the first of a series of short narrated lecture segments covering the text and course material. The majority of these PowerPoint files are only 5 to 10 minutes in duration and should be a valuable supplement to the text and the ECM lesson materials. In this first lecture on Chapter 2, we will cover the methods of summarizing categorical data. As a reminder, categorical data do not contain any numbers or quantitative information. They are simply labels or names. In order for a business person to analyze and communicate, to solve problems and make decisions, we need effective means to display data. Tabular data can be represented with the frequency, relative frequency, and percent frequency distributions. We can also use a variety of graphical methods, including bar charts and the simplest way to display categorical data will be with a frequency distribution. For example, if we have a survey rating for a hotel from 20 guests, it's difficult to draw any conclusions from just viewing the raw data. We need to organize that data and display it to be able to draw inferences or make conclusions. By counting the number of times each rating has occurred, we can show the data in a frequency distribution table, such as this. The total of the frequency equals the total number of data points in this data set. By counting the number of times each rating has occurred, we can show the data in a frequency distribution table. By dividing the frequency in each class by the total number of data points, we obtain the relative. We can take it even further by converting that relative frequency into a frequency. This table shows both relative frequency and percent frequency. Note that the total of all relative frequencies is equal to 1, and the total of percent frequencies equals 100%. We can also communicate data in a more visual fashion using charts. A bar chart can display frequency, relative frequency, and/or percent frequency. As you can see, a chart might allow the means to draw a faster conclusion about the distribution of data. A Pareto diagram is simply a bar chart where the bars are arranged in descending order with the highest class at one end of the diagram. A pie chart is one more useful way to display frequency data as arc or pie segments of a circle. You can see that displayed here for the same data on hotel quality ratings. The key to displaying categorical data in a table or graph is to allow insights or conclusions that can lead to analysis, decision-making, and problem-solving. Here are some of the conclusions I made from the hotel survey quality data.